Okay, this is for the Cogoo Android Plus series. Android Plus 10.1 inch or 9 inch big screen Android GPS player. Okay, no DVD version. It's got a 2 USB slot, USB extension. Got 2 USB extension. Okay, new software, yeah. Video, radio, music file, same. Okay, Bluetooth music. So new Bluetooth music. Okay, this software is for the Cogoo Android Plus 2GB RAM. 2GB RAM version. Okay, file manager. So internal storage got a 16GB. So you got a hard disk. So when you insert USB pen drive, so it will show for the USB. So up to 128GB USB pen drive or 2 tera portable hard disk. Okay, back. So you got video input and video output. Application manager. So you can do setting for your app. Storage. So check your storage. Browser, a Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling, and click for the BT music for Bluetooth music. DVR, USB DVR, you have to insert a USB DVR driving video recorder. Just plug in a USB DVR here, then you can show it. Selected DVR. Easy connect mirror link. So Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Selected phone model. Play Store, you have to log in a Gmail, log in your Google account, then to download app. Setting. Okay, Android player, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi. Pairing with your phone hotspot, connect for internet. Choose your language. Log in a Google account. Set your date and time. Android version 7.1. Do more setting. Bluetooth pairing. Sound setting. Default volume. Sound balance and equalizer. 10 band. Display. Brightness adjust. Navigation. Do your navigation shortcut setting. This navigation setting is for the main display, this icon, for the shortcut setting. Body setting. Brake inspection. Back car. Brightness. Video setting. Or general setting for the reverse line. Personalize. Change your boot logo. Change wallpaper. Executive touch. Okay, backup and reset. It's got a simple reset switch here. A mic input. So this is simple reset. Or if you want to do the factory reset, so click from here. Reset your device. About car. Android version 7.1. Memory information. So 2GB DDR, 2GB RAM, 16GB fresh storage. Factory setting. Password 8317. Okay. Okay, you can do the factory setting. Select the car model for canbus setting. You can choose for the automotive type. Choose simple soft or race. Either one, depend on your canbus factory, manufacturing. Okay, sample for race. Okay, category. Choose your car model. Honda. Example for CRV. Then choose high version or medium version. Apply and restart your player. Driver on right. Okay, this is for the setting. Back to home. So steering wheel control set. So you have to press the reset, then press start. You can do the short press setting, and long press setting. Okay, back to home. Okay, when nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Press any way to turn it on. Android player, clear apps. Clear it one by one, or press here to clear all. Back to home. Change your wallpaper. Preset wallpaper or live wallpaper. If your photo gallery, you have to save a JPEG file 1024 x 600 pixel. Okay, for Cogoo Android Plus 10.1 inch or 9 inch, 2 GB RAM. Okay, video by 1bis. Thank you.